scoring 7. With 2 cars against 1. Here, of course, it's every man, every driver for himself. And are we
في المقطع الأول يدخل إلى المقطع الثاني الأسرع على الإطلاق شارل لوكلير بالبوزيشن جورج راسل عند المقطع الثاني أسرع من شارل لوكلير ب 255 على الكرة الثانية. ربما جورج راسل في طريقه للحصول على بول بوزيشن مؤقت وتم إزالة الزمن لخروجه على المسار أو تراك ليميتس.
Getting in the way. Oh, it's getting a bit tight into the final corner. Watch through the final corner from turn 16. Pierre Gasly is down in 15th place. Surely he's going to move somewhere near the fastest. Great lap that from Pierre Gasly, and right in the slipstream. That was Lewis Hamilton. He's now in 14th place. Hulkenberg now in the danger zone as Ocon puts the second Alpine into the top 10. 3 minutes to go. It's all action here. We are going to get some.
ويليامز ثم ثم كولابينتو بيعتذر للفريق شكل ما للسيارة هو رمنا رقم 27 هولكنبرغ المنتقل إلى فريق السابق والعودة العام المقبل المتطورة.
Disappointment for Nico Hulkenberg after the sprint quali and the sprint race earlier today. Hopes were high for the hope. It's all gone wrong in qualifying 1 for Nico Hulkenberg. He will start 18th on the grid tomorrow. So we have
ما ننساش انه لديه قشور من الجزائر. اعتقد ان
left, he went right, he went past left again, then went right in the last minute. Drive up the inside, and we have a new race leader on that number 2 now. Ollie Behrman, as long as he stays within 1 second, he is going to get the benefit of the DRS. Interesting. But I'd probably be a bit safer in this. At least I have the halo and I'd have 4 wheels. I think putting me on a higher booster would be a recipe for disaster. Looks like Abbey Pulling is about to come back out. Nice livery on the helmet, and she is within about 24 hours of potentially winning the F1 Academy. She also drove a couple of F3 races this year. I remember watching her at the British Touring Car race at Donington and really getting in some laps in different cars. And that's what it's about, isn't it? A lot of these drivers just starting out in their careers. I'm sure. English. Let's just wait and see. Yellow flags in sector 1. Our timing screen has got a little bit crazy. Just bear with us a second. We're watching live pictures here. And no, that is Hadjar. That is Hadjar. Isaac Hadjar, who was leading this race, is now not even going to finish on the podium. He's a replay. What happened? In towards turn 3 and turn 4. There is your leader. Now, does Hadjar make a mistake?